Hey beautiful, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria. Welcome to Vicky Links. So today I am going to be sharing my experience spraying my hair with neem water for 7 days. So this is quite my first time of doing this for 7 days. I've actually put neem water and then even neem mask on my hair, or immediately I wash them out. But this challenge is going to be for 7 days. Okay, quickly I'll be showing you how I make the neem water. So if you've not seen the video, I will link it up here. Just click it and then watch. So basically all I did for the whole 7 days is to spray the water on my hair, just as seen on the video. So I just sprayed the water on my hair, massage it very well on my scalp, and then I pass the concentration also onto my hair strands. Then you want to make sure you massage your hair very well if you really want this to work. So massage it very well and spray a lot of it on my scalp. Okay, I make new batch every 2 days, because the smell after the second day that I used it, the third day the smell was, oh my god, it was so bad. So I would advise you, if you can't tolerate the smell and then you have the time, just make new ones every 2 days. So after I massage on my scalp very well, I covered it with a plastic bag. So if you have a shower cap or something like that, just use it to cover your hair. So don't be like me here, please. When you're doing this, make sure you have a towel or something to wipe your face, because if you really apply it on your hair very well, some of it will drip down your face and your chin. So that's that. So after you cover it for an hour, you go back to it after an hour to just wash it with water, cold normal water. Just wash it down. So basically that was what I did for the whole 7 days. I spray my hair with the water, then I massage it very well into my scalp. I cover my hair with a plastic bag. After 1 hour, I wash it out with just water. So that is it. So during the whole process, my hair feels very soft, even softer than I expected. I did not experience any itchy. So right now my hair is free of dandruff. And then a study shows that neem can promote hair growth, but I did not do length check before making this video. So I think and also I think 7 days is too short to tell if my hair is grown or so I believe next time I might be able, or I might have to do the challenge again, maybe for a longer days, 30 days or so. So by that time I'll be able to confirm the theory if it actually grows hair. So generally this spray is so good. It left my hair better than I expected, so I can recommend you to try it. So guys, if you've been consistent to my channel, you realize that the videos I've been posting some days back, the quality are not the best. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I had some issues with my recording gears, so this is the one I can lay my hands on now, and hopefully very soon, before December runs out, I will be able to get a better video gears. So please bear with me, and then thank you for watching my videos. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. More videos are coming, more tips on how to grow your hair is coming, and even more other things to expect. If you have any requests or any video suggestion you want me to make, you can leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any question you want to ask me, you can just leave it on the question in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.